day, I'm Dr. T and welcome back to my office. This is going to be a refresh series. It's been a while since I've done much on this channel and, well, some of my videos are getting more than a little bit dated. So it's 2026, time to do a refresh from a lot of my older COVID era videos. Hopefully this time I can do them better and at least a little bit more up to date on a few items. This is going to be the start of a video series supporting a couple of different classes that I have. The classes are relatively similar, and that's how I can do one video series for both classes, but the general focus on these courses are going to be for those studying education, specifically for the ranges between about kindergarten to 8th grade. So we're not dealing with high school chemistry teachers here. This is going to be some of the younger grades. And the goal here is a generic physical science course. So to cover chemistry, physics, astronomy, and in one of the courses, also some earth sciences. Now, I'm a chemist, so chemistry, I got this. Physics, astronomy, and earth sciences, I'm definitely stretching here a little bit, but you know what? I'm going to give it my shot. I would love to say that the course is taught by 4 different instructors, one from each of the disciplines, but it's me. So bear with me on this one, but I'm hoping to make a useful and engaging, or at least mildly interesting video series to support these classes. Now, I want to kind of talk briefly about the goals of the courses and of thus the video series. The goal is basically to cover everything you should have already learned in high school. So hopefully you're not learning too awful much new, although I think I will throw in a few things that you may not have encountered, because if you're going to teach something, you need to know one level past what you're teaching. So hopefully this class is going to be a ton of review for you. But I'm guessing I'm going to throw in a few things that aren't quite. Now, why would I want to teach a course that's mostly review? Well, 1, I'm getting paid to, but 2, if you're going to teach things, we need to make sure if you've got any holes in your understanding, we patch the holes. And so that's the goal of this. Also, if there are any misconceptions, it would be best to chisel those out and, once again, patch the holes so that you're not passing along misconceptions to your students. Now, I'm going to be doing things a little bit differently in the past. In the past, I tried to make nice short videos and have lots of them linked. But as I have been teaching and as my students have been coming for more of the Gen Z crowd instead of the younger millennials, what I have learned is that unlike myself, an elder millennial who likes lots of little things and a nice fractal pattern, my students tend to prefer one long thing they can scroll to. So I'm going to do longer video formats, but I'm going to take advantage of the chapters feature, which I don't think was part of YouTube back when I was starting to do these channels. So I'm going to put chapters in the videos to kind of narrow things down. Along that lines, I've also done something a little bit different. If you're one of my students watching this, this document will be on your learning management system. And that is, I took all the handouts and I put them in one giant Word folder. That is, I took all the handouts and I put them in one giant Word document. I'm calling this the student handbook. Now, I'm going to chop out the most relevant pieces and I'll put that in the description of each video. So if you're not one of my students, you will still have access to those, and that's probably how I'm going to be doing some of the chaptering for the videos as well. But do check out the giant Word document. I printed out my copy because I'm old. I like a nice dead tree edition, but that is up to you. If you want to print out your copy, more power to you. If you want to go digital, more power to you. Whatever you'd like to go for. Hopefully that's a bit of an introduction for our topic, and I will see you in the first video of this series, which will be coming up, hopefully, next.